Welcome to Afflys, the ultimate destination for those aspiring to achieve wealth, luxury, and success through dedication and hard work. Today, we're diving into a topic that's perfect for those just starting out on their wealth-building journey: how to build wealth with minimal investment. Whether you're just beginning or looking to optimize your financial strategy, these tips will help you get started with limited resources. Let's get started. Number 1. Start with a budget. The first step to building wealth is understanding where your money is going. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. This will help you identify areas where you can cut costs and save more. There are plenty of free budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB that can help you stay on top of your finances. A budget not only helps you manage your money, but also gives you a clear picture of your financial health, making it easier to set realistic financial goals. Number 2. Automate your savings. One of the best ways to save money consistently is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Even small, regular contributions can add up over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. Automating your savings ensures that you prioritize saving, even before you get the chance to spend it. Over time, you'll build a substantial savings without even thinking about it. Number 3. Take advantage of employer benefits. If you're employed, make sure you're taking full advantage of any benefits your employer offers. This could include retirement plans, matching contributions, or health savings accounts. These benefits can significantly boost your savings with minimal effort on your part. Employer benefits are essentially free money, so don't leave them on the table. They can provide you with financial security and growth opportunities with very little initial investment. Number 4. Invest in low-cost index funds. Investing doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Consider starting with low-cost index funds, which offer broad market exposure and lower fees than actively managed funds. This is a great way to start investing with minimal initial investment. Index funds are also less risky than individual stocks because they spread your investment across a wide range of companies, providing you with a diversified portfolio that can weather market fluctuations better. Number 5. Explore micro-investing apps. Micro-investing apps like Acorns or Stash allow you to invest small amounts of money, even spare change from everyday purchases. This is a great way to dip your toes into investing without needing a large sum of money up front. These apps make investing accessible and easy, often rounding up your purchases and investing the difference, making the process seamless and almost unnoticeable in your daily life. Number 6. Build an emergency fund. Before making any significant investments, it's crucial to build an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund will provide a financial cushion in case of unexpected expenses, ensuring you don't need to dip into your investments. An emergency fund gives you peace of mind and financial stability, allowing you to take calculated risks with your investments without the fear of immediate financial ruin. Number 7. Educate yourself continually. Knowledge is one of the most valuable investments you can make. Read books, take online courses, and follow financial blogs to educate yourself about personal finance and investing. The more you know, the better decisions you can make with your money. Continuous learning keeps you updated on the latest financial trends and strategies, ensuring that you're making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Number 8. Start a side hustle. A side hustle can provide additional income that you can invest or save. This could be anything from freelancing, selling products online, or offering a service in your community. The extra income can accelerate your wealth-building efforts. Side hustles also allow you to explore your passions and develop new skills that could lead to larger income opportunities in the future. Number 9. Use credit wisely. While credit can be a useful tool, it's essential to use it wisely. Avoid high-interest debt and always pay off your credit card balance in full each month. Responsible credit use can help you build a good credit score, which can be beneficial for future financial opportunities. A good credit score can lead to lower interest rates on loans and better financial offers, making it easier to build wealth over time. Number 10. Keep your lifestyle in check. The most important point: as your income grows, it can be tempting to increase your spending. However, keeping your lifestyle inflation in check and maintaining a frugal mindset can significantly boost your savings and investment potential. Focus on living below your means and investing the difference. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep and invest. Wealth is built through smart financial habits and disciplined saving, not just high income. Building wealth with minimal investment is entirely possible with the right strategies and mindset. Start with small steps, stay consistent, and continually educate yourself. Remember, every little bit counts, and over time, these small efforts can lead to significant financial growth. Thank you for watching Afflys. If you found value in today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are on their journey to affluence. Don't forget to subscribe to Afflys for more inspiring and educational content. Remember, the road to affluence starts with a single step. Keep striving, stay motivated, and together, we'll achieve greatness. See you in the next video.